If you search the web for lubrication management systems on any given day, you'll likely be blown away by the sheer number of programs designed to solve your maintenance issues. When it comes to getting lubrication right, nothing beats the power of experience. At Noria, we've led the way in lubrication training, education, and application excellence for more than 25 years. So when you have our cloud-based LubePM app in the palm of your hands, you're holding the experience of hundreds of lubrication procedures, perfectly selected to meet your needs. These procedures define the tools and lubricants you need, along with the step-by-step instructions on how to perform each lubrication task, such as greasing a motor, hooking up a filter cart, or sampling a gearbox. As an added bonus, LubePM also includes task-based training videos that accompany these procedures, so everyone on your team knows who should perform these tasks, why they are important, along with tips on how to perform them properly. If you want to know how to make reliable lubrication easier, just visit our website at lubepm.com and click the Request More Information button.